Whoa, it's matcha. Let's try it.
That's hot, huh? Look, it's steaming.
Pagil mo. Gusto mo yan, no? Open mo yan, girl. Halwal meday. Oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's more. Oh, it tastes like matcha. Okay. Wait, it's dropping matcha.
Yummy. Yummy, yeah?
Yes, it tastes like matcha ice cream.
Wow.
First time trying. I got
You say it
first.
in the camera.
It's good, guys. It's matcha.
You show it first. Show it first. Show it the matcha.
Show me ano.
And here's the box. It pull up matcha. Yum. Tastes like matcha.
Tastes like what?
Matcha. It's like 4 pieces, but it's not finally 3. Show you. I like salty cream.
Urinitan natin. Urinitan alam.
Say Abby. One. It's matcha.
Taste mo ano, girl?
Smells weird.
Matcha yung kasi yun eh. Hot, yeah, hot. Lapit ka, lapit.
Salida mo kanya na yung beauty.
You like chocolate? Look natin. Ay, sarap.
Yaman.
Guys, matcha. Ayun! Pumutok! Guys, pumutok po. Pumutok. Ayan. I need to take it at half. Guys, ang sarap. Tingnan mo sa loob. Yeah. Ha? Sarap. Stop. Guys, walang salty cream.
Anong comment mo, boy? Alang salty cream.
Wala po. Salty cream. Sold out salty cream. I rate this 10 out of 10.
Good.
Yes.
Nalagyan na. Mandarin. Ano ka rin?
Mandarin.
Mandarin 16.
What?
16.
See you next time.